Oh, hello, Barney.
Hello, Barney.
How are you?
Hello. Hello, Barney.
Hello, Barney.
Hello, Barney.
Oh.
Hello, Barney.
Hello, Barney.
Hello.
Oh.
Hello, Barney.
Hello, Barney.
Hello, Barney.
Hello, Barney.
You're a beautiful cockatoo.
Hello, Barney.
Hello.
Whoa, Barney.
Hello, Barney. Hello. Hello, Barney. Hello. Hello, Barney.
Yeah, my name's Barney now, too.
Everybody's Barney.
Everyone's Barney.
Hello, Barney.
Hello, Barney.
Lucky bird to come out here. Not just be locked up in a cage.
It is nice.
Yes, he has a full-time caregiver, too.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah, me.
Aww.
Hello.
Spoiled.
Yeah, he gets me 24 hours a day.
Aw, lucky bird.
Well, minus when I gotta go grocery shopping or something.
Barney
Hello.
go grocery shopping?
Yeah, I'm not allowed.
Aw.
You hear an airplane?
Hello.
Hello.
Saying hello to the airplane?
Hello, Barney.
Is the airplane Barney, too?
You got the shirt.
Hello, Barney.
Can you
Hello,
say
Barney.
anything else?
Yeah, he does, but mostly when he's in public, it's hello, Barney. and laughing.
That's so cute.
Hello, Barney.
My mom's bird swears.
Hello, Barney.
I'm glad he doesn't swear.
No.
That'd be
Hello,
tough one
Barney.
to get out.
Hello.
Hello.
My mom's bird says farts
Hello.
and then goes, who farted?
Hello, Barney. Hello. Hello.
Ah!
That's very loud.
Yeah, he's actually one of the loudest birds on earth. Whoa! That's not even as loud as he can go.
Barney, you are fantastic.
Yeah.
Whoa, Barney!
What a happy bird.
Look, here comes more. Here comes more people, Barney.
That bird's singing.
Does he get shy with lots of people?
No, he loves to see lots of people.
Yeah?
Look at all the people, Barney.
Say hello. Say hello, Barney.
Hello, Barney.
Hello, Barney.
Hello, Barney.
Is that a seagull?
Awesome.
Whoa! Barney.
Hello.
Woo!
Can you sing a song? Can you sing? Can you sing?
Beautiful voice.
That's a loud voice.
Oh, that's the song that he does, too.
Hi, Barney.
That's his Michael Jackson impression.
Whoa!